Welcome to educational Nifty 50 analysis video for today. So this video is only for educational purpose. So today the Nifty 50 is opening at 22,460 minus 0.34% down, a bit of a gap down by losing 75 points. So let's see how the market will perform for today. So 22,460. So somewhere over here is where the market is opening. So let me just quickly draw a line to represent the opening price. So this will be the opening price for today where the Nifty 50 is opening, and the first key resistance level for today will be somewhere close to 22,650. Okay, so somewhere over here we might see the Nifty can take its first resistance level for today if it is going to go up. Okay, so anyway, it's only for analysis purpose, so let's see how the market will perform. And coming to the support level, what the Nifty can hold is somewhere close to 22 to 50. Okay, so somewhere over here we can see that the Nifty might have a support for today. So let's see how the Nifty momentum will be there for today. So we'll analyze in 5 minutes chat. Okay, so yes, once the market opens, we'll see how the market will perform for today. So guys, yes, it's been like 10 minutes since the market has opened, and the lowest point what Nifty 50 has touched is around 22,361 as of now. Okay, so this is the lowest point what it has touched for today. So if this level, the initial low level, acts as a support level, so the market can stay above this low point and go above this opening price. Okay, so currently it's below its opening range. 22465 is where it has opened, but currently it's below that. Okay, so if this lowest point act as a support level, then it can go up till here, and if the opening price range breaks, then we can expect the market to go on a bullish side for today. So if not, then the market might act this level, the opening price level, as a resistance level, and even if this low point breaks, then the market can come down for today, is what the view is according to my analysis. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform. So I'll be showing you how the market will perform for today, and we'll show you the educational analysis what we do. Also, if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies and want to learn the trading skills and knowledge, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more details. Okay, so guys, yes, now the time is around 9:25 a.m. So let's wait and watch how the market will perform for the rest of the day. So from the today's initial low point, you can see here the market is now trying to go up, but yes, it's not yet gone above the opening range. So let's see how it will perform. The time is around 1 p.m. now, and as you guys can see here, the Nifty has been range bounded for today, so it has not gone above its opening price as of now. So almost half a day is done. So let's see how the other half of a day will the Nifty perform for today. So as of now, it's very range bounded day. So from the today's initial low, it has just gone up now. Okay, so it's still not past the opening range of today's 22,465. So still around 22,420. So let's see, will it become range bounded and consolidated for today, or will it go bullish, or will it be bearish? So we'll need to wait and observe. This is the end of the day chart of today's Nifty 50 index. So as you guys can see here, the market was in a bit of a range bounded section for today. So not much of a volatile, as you guys can see here. Okay, so yes, from the opening time itself, the market was trading below the opening price. Okay, and later it has come to the lowest point of 223 62. Okay, so that was the lowest point what it has touched for today, almost here somewhere around there. And after touching that lowest point, you can see here that point has acted as a key support level for today, and from there the market has gone up till the opening price of 22,465. So it was gone up at 9:40 a.m. also, and later from 9:40 to 10:05 a.m. again the market had come down, and again you can see here some consolidation had happened. Okay, again at 11 o'clock also this support level was touched. That's the lowest point what it has made for today. So you can see here two times the lowest point was touched, but the market didn't give up. It was consolidating, but market was not going down. Okay, so again at 11:10 you can see here the market, it has pushed up and it has gone up till almost 22,448. Okay, so again not above the opening price. So below the opening price itself it has again took the resistance, and it has come down again and again. From 1 o'clock to 3:15 we can see here fully range bounded market, and later at the last 5 minutes candle the market has closed in a big green candle, and it has closed at 22,421 for today. So overall this was how the market has performed for today. So not much of a volatile movement. Okay, so no much movement here in the market today. It was range bounded, closed below the opening price for today in a bit of a downside. And coming to the most index of how they have performed for today, we can see here Nifty FMGC has gained the most, 1.73% up. Nifty Reality is down by 1.92%. PSU Bank is down by minus 2.53%. And yes, you can see all the index were almost closing in a red side. Only Nifty Auto has gained a bit, 0.18% up. Nifty Consumer Durables with 0.20% up. And all the other indexes are closed in a red side. Okay, in a bearish side for today. So overall, this is how the market has performed for today, guys. Okay, so if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more details. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.